So cute. Nandyan. Ayun. Ayun, pangatlo sa kaliwa. O, yan. Yung nagbo-boss. Bago mo i-record. Patayin mo ulit, tapos ilapit mo. Pag naka-record na siya, hindi mo na siya mamumove. Patayin mo muna, off mo muna. Off mo muna, tapos saka mo ilapit. Ang galing oh, nakaya niya.
Sit over there now. Okay, maybe later we're just gonna do that one. Toby, say hi, Tov.
One. Only one.
It's safe anyway, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
You see little boy that just finished. Just relax when you sit there, safe for everybody. Maybe I told you, because a big group come, maybe you can walk
Yeah.
sit there better.
I was just gonna take picture and then we're going to move. Nandun na si Kwanti, oh. Mga bata. Hi!
Very good. Good, go up na. Back together, Ken. Dito lang sa bato. Dito lang sa posting. Very nice. Ken, hadi.
Say hi! Say
Relax, just relax.
hi!
Hello.
Ooh. Yeah. Say hi, Toby. Ooh, they're feeding the elephant. Look at that. Oh, there you go.
Smile ka eh. Dadi. Smile, 1, 2, 3.
Awa may laptopan. Awa nag-feed sa elephant ko tanawa ang banana. Awa. Wala. Awa.
Don't worry, they have more energy because we feed them already. You move like an elephant.
You got your pictures, Bobby?
Next is the elephant.
Kuya, may camera kayo, no?
Oh, you're holding is are you
Camera
touching
yan,
them?
camera. Ito,
Camera yan, oh.
Parang picture. 1, 2.
Ayun na. Mamaya ulit.
Batong pagkuha ko.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Este. Di na, sige lang. Yes, sir, tingin. Ay, yes, sir. Sige na, dalawang ikot pa, kuya. Okay. Bye. Sige na,
Okay,
dalawang
go.
ikot pa. Dalawang ikot na lang.
Oh, si Daddy marunong nga kahit silang dalawa na lang nga eh.
Asa na sila, Danny?
Ayun na. Wala pa sila doon.
Wala pa. Not yet.
Gymnast number 001, Christy Ladigay from Montessori East, Tanawan.
Oh, si ate. Ano yung gagawin ni ate? May music na. Wala pa.
Angry Birds na
Dapat ko ang iPad.
iPad.
Ano, pabili siya. Ganun pa rin anak. Oh, tapos na. Yay!
Thank you, gymnast. Gymnast number 0.